If you own a DJI Flip drone or you've watched a bunch of review videos because you're thinking about buying one, then you may well be aware that YouTubers have said there is a bit of a problem with this DJI Flip. And in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what DJI don't tell you to get around this problem and what you need to do to get this drone working exactly as it should. So let's get into it. So what is this problem then, and what are DJI not telling us? Well, it may not have escaped your attention that many YouTubers, including myself, on my full review video, have mentioned about this guy right here. This is the DJI Flip charging hub, and one of its main features is the ability, if we are using a charging plug above 65 watts, this is supposed to be able to charge 2 batteries at the same time. However, the strange thing is that many of us, including other reviewers, have not seen any evidence of this. When I posted my own review video, I showed that I was using a charger which was above 65 watts and it was only charging 1 battery at the time. So what is it that DJI are not telling us then that we need to do to make sure that this does exactly what it says it does? Well, quite frankly, even though at no point in their manual do they mention any of this, they just tell us we need a 65 watt charger. That's not quite correct, because not only do you need a charger that is over 65 watts, we also need it to have the ability to charge at 15 volts at 4.3 amps. And it's at that level that DJI tell us that this thing is actually going to kick in that dual battery charging. So let's put it to a test. And that's where this guy comes in, because I've been out and I have purchased this 100 watt USB-C official DJI charger that apparently meets the specification to ensure that this thing actually charges 2 batteries at once. Now, this video is a bit of a collaboration with another YouTuber friend of mine. He is called Nobbygreen. Some of you may be familiar with his channel. If not, I will leave a link to it in the video description so you can go check it out, because I have purchased this 100 watt, whereas he has purchased the 65 watt portable charger from DJI just to test whether it works. So let's quickly cut to plugging this in and seeing if it actually charges both of these batteries at once. So let's take a look at the USB-C charging hub from DJI. First of all, we get our country specific charging socket, we get the charging brick itself, then we get one USB connector. Taking a look at the actual unit, as you can see, nice DJI logo on the front. To the left side we see of course the input for the power, and to the right we actually have 2 USB-C outputs, which is incredibly frustrating given the fact that they only give us 1 USB cable in the box. I think they should at least give us 2. But we're not here to complain about the product, we're here just to see if it does the job. Now, the battery on the right has been charged to 50%. The battery on the left has been charged to 60%. Now, the way this system works is what it should do is once we plug it in, it should charge the one at 50% up to 60% to match the other one, and then it should start charging them both at the same time. So let's just see if that happens. Let's plug it into the side. And as you can see, there we go. It has got the left one on standby and the right one is now charging. Let's just fast forward it a few moments. The battery on the right has matched the one on the left, and as you can see, it has now started charging both of them at the same time. That is absolutely excellent. Now, if you are thinking about getting this charging brick from DJI, one huge benefit is the fact that it actually has enough power that even though one's not included, if we actually plug a spare USB cable that we already have into the second output and plug it into our controller, I can fast charge both of my DJI Flip batteries and I can charge my controller. Or what I could do is use that second cable to plug it into the DJI Flip to charge 3 batteries all at the same time. Absolutely fantastic. And as for the collaboration with my good friend Nobbygreen, he is testing out the 65 watt charger, which is ever so slightly cheaper. And as you can see, once again, that only has the one output, but that is fixing the problem and it is charging both batteries at the exact same time. So there we go. If you have a DJI Flip and this charging hub and you want the luxury of charging 2 batteries at the same time, you can do so by buying one of DJI's official chargers, or if you want to troll through Amazon and try and find a charger that supports that 15 volt at 4.3 amps, you are more than welcome. It took me absolutely forever to try and find one, and I was pretty unsuccessful, which is why I just brought you this test with the official DJI chargers, and why me and Nobbygreen just split the bill so we didn't have to buy 2 of them just to end up with the exact same result. So if you found this video useful, please do, of course, give it a big thumbs up. It tells YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, see you again soon.